Did you know that November 26th is National Cake Day? My purpose for this speech is to show you how to make cupcake cones. Today I will be talking about the supplies you'll need, I will demonstrate how to make cupcake cones, and I will share with you some fun facts and history about cake and cupcakes. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You need cupcake tins, oil, eggs, M&Ms and sprinkles. Those are optional, but that's what my family uses. Cake mix, I'm using dark chocolate fudge and butter golden. Ice cream cones, icing, I'm using chocolate fudge and vanilla. And you need a knife, scissors, measuring cups, mixing bowls, and a mixer. Oh my gosh. Step 1, wash your hands. Step 2, put foil over the pans and poke holes in them for their cupcake cones. Be very careful when using the knife. Three is to put the cones in the tray with the slit in so that you have the recipe. We're going by the box recipe, and you need 3/4 cup water, 7 tablespoons softened butter, but my family likes butter, so we're using 8 and 3 large eggs. Soften the butter for a minute on 50% power, and then if your butter isn't softened all the way, you can do 30-second. Next, we're gonna take your cake mix, water, and eggs and pour it in the bowl. Oh shoot, I gotta show. Crack your bowls into your eggs into a separate bowl so that you can pick out the shells easy. Like we got a shell right there. Oh, sucker, get out. It's not coming out! Okay. Oh my gosh. It's not coming out. Oh yeah, our butter's done. Oh my gosh. I got it! I got it!
She's so weird. I don't like her.
Okay, no shots, we're good. You're gonna take the eggs that you carefully cracked and pour them into the cake mixture. And then you're gonna get your butter out of the microwave. And you're gonna pour that in. You're gonna set it in the sink. And then you're gonna pour your water in. And then we're gonna get a whisk. your cake mix. Oh. Until you get a smooth and creamy texture. Don't lick the whisks. You don't want to get salmonella. Take your batter and put them in the cones, and you want to fill them about 2/3 full. So you don't want that to fill them too much and they rise over the top. Extra batter like we do, you can make cupcakes. Take your cupcake cones and place them into the oven for 15 minutes or until they are golden brown. While I wait for the first batch of cupcake cones to bake, I'm going to be making my other batch, the chocolate. Did you know that November 26th is National Cake Day? My purpose for this speech is to show you how to make cupcake cones. Today I'll be talking about the supplies you'll need. I will demonstrate how to make cupcake cones, and I will share with you some fun facts and history about cake and cupcakes. Use your muscles, Cindy. So with this recipe, you're going to do the same thing you did with the vanilla cupcakes, but you're using oil instead of butter. Where are the eggs? The eggs are in the fridge.
No, they're right here.
Oh, I'm blind. Don't worry, I'm not going to get shell in these.
Ketchup.
And then you're going to mix this on one until your batter is creamy. So you're going to take your cupcakes out of the oven and place them on an oven rack to chill for about 30 to 45 minutes so that when you frost them it doesn't melt. And I had my mom do this because it's kind of hot and I don't really trust myself. Once your cupcakes are cool, you're going to frost your cupcakes. That was a fail. Mom, it's not coming out.
Don't stop it at the end.
This is rock solid. Like, frosting's horrible. Freaking rock solid poop.
Picked it out.
I'm gonna try one.
Just have to squeeze it harder.
Okay.
But I'll like squeeze it pretty hard. From the top. Carpal tunnel doing this.
Okay.
Keep going.
Oh, we're still filming.
Oh my gosh. Can you just delete that?
Oh,
Don't forget to clean your dishes because you do not want dirty dishes. Dirty dishes are not good. No. Some fun facts about cake and cupcakes. Original cupcake recipes were not frosted and usually were just flavored with spices or dried fruit. The record for the most cupcakes eaten in the shortest amount of time was 29 cupcakes in 30 seconds. More than 29% of U.S. school districts have banned bake sales due to anti-obesity regulations. Cupcakes have become a pop culture trend today in the culinary world. According to Google, cupcake recipes are the fastest growing recipe search. The oldest cake is 2 pieces from the royal wedding of Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, dated 1840. Today I told you about some history and fun facts about cake/cupcakes, the steps to making cupcake cones, and the supplies you need. My purpose was to show you how to make cupcakes in an ice cream cone. My memorable statement is a quote: "A party without cake is just a meeting."